The second problem is to create a lollipop chart to show the attrition rate based on the gender category. Here we need to show the attrition rate based on gender category. After solving this question, the solution is going to look like this. Here, the lollipop chart is not directly available on the Power BI. We need to customize it to create it. Now let's start to create it. I'll take up the new page. First, click on the line chart, drag it center. Now I need to include gender in the x-axis and attrition rate in the y-axis. Search for a gender data here. Here it is. Just drag and drop it into the x-axis. And now search for the attrition rate. In the previous section, I have showed that how to create the attrition rate. We need to write up a query for it. Here it is. Just drag and drop it into the y-axis. Yeah. Now I need to enable on object interaction. For that, just go to file, click on options and settings and go to options. Now click on the preview features and you need to enable this on object interaction. Just click on the checkbox and click on OK. By enabling on object interaction, the error bars will get activated. Now include the data in the upper bound and lower bound. In the upper bound, I will insert the attrition rate here. Once again, I will drag and drop attrition rate in the upper bound, and I don't have lower bound data, so I need to create it. For that, just go to HR data, right click on it and click on the new measure. Lower bound equals to 0. Yeah. Now search for lower bound here. Here it is. Just click on the checkbox. Yeah. After inserting attrition rate and lower bound, you need to enable this. You need to turn on this. Then this line will get activated. Now I want to reduce the width of this line. For that, I'll just go to format and in the lines, click on the drop down of it and you need to reduce the width here. I will set it up to 0. Yeah. Now I'll give a shape to it on the top of this bar line. For that, go to markers, turn on this category and choose the shape here. I will choose the filled circle and I will give the size up to 20. Now to increase this bar line, just go to error bars and you can see a label here, that is bar. Click on the drop down of it. Here you can increase the width up to 10. I will keep it up to 5. Yeah, you can see here the upper bound attrition rate and lower bound are displaying here when you point a cursor on the bar line. Now I want to display the attrition rate above this circle. For that, I will turn on the data labels. Just turn on this data labels. You can see here one is 15% in the female bar line and another one is 17% at the male bar line. I will align it at the top. For that, click on the data labels and in the position, just align it above. Yeah, you can see here the attrition rate levels are aligned at the top of this bar line. One is 17% and another one is 15%. So to increase this attrition rate, gender, all this value width, you need to choose the x-axis and y-axis. For that, just go to format. To increase the font size of this gender, go to x-axis and go to title in the x-axis, and you can here increase the font. You can see here the font has just got increased, and I will increase these values also. Come to values and increase it. I will give it up to 12. Now in the y-axis I will increase these values and the label. Just go to values and I will increase it up to 12, and I will increase the attrition rate, that is title, to 15. Yeah, so this is how we can customize the line chart to Lollipop chart.